Create high-impact review generation campaigns in minutes with campaign templates on SocialPilot Reviews. Create it once. Save it forever. Edit when you need. Duplicate when you don't. No heavy lifting. Just repeatable wins. Emails, texts, schedule, it's all there. Prepped, packed, ready to perform. Need to tweak the tone? Add a message? You're in control every step of the way. Preview it or personalize to always stay on brand. And if your strategy shifts, just swap in another template. Easy. No rebuilding. No redoing. Just faster campaigns, smarter workflows, and way more 5-star reviews. The real growth hack? It is using what already works. Turn one great campaign into endless wins. Only with campaign templates on SocialPilot Reviews.